I'm wrong with these fucking niggas. Yeah. What the fuck is that? I'm about to stay on Christmas.
Hella money in the pocket. Alright, we Gucci. No, get out that damn man. The sponsor of this video today is Four Loko. Oh, it's kind of deep right here. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. How far can we go? Oh, shit, gang. Oh, damn. We can get under this. Oh, fuck. Oh, nah, this is where I fall in, gang. Should I go? I could, though.
Man, I feel like, fuck. I'm not good with balance.
Hold on. Muha. Hella money in the pocket. Alright, we Gucci. Oh. Oh, shit. Damn. We can go back there and smoke.
We're that way, though.
Wait, what's the safest way, bro?
That way.
All right. You can take that way. Oh yeah, we were down here, bro. Oh, damn. My ass. Me and Noah was up there. There's a cave. We got up here. You know what it is. All right, bet. We finna jump in and shit. Stupid ass. Oh, fuck. Do it. Nah, right now. All right, jump then. Tell me how deep it is. Stupid. You standing up? Oh, he dying. Bro, I'm kind of scared. Come on, you coming with me, bitch. Hey, where was the drop off? Hey, where's the drop off, dog? I'm scared.
Start stepping forward.
Right here, look.
Ooh, shit. That shit I'm finna get in for real. But hold up. If I just get down. Ooh, fuck. Ooh. Oh, shit, he's drowning, bro. Oh, shit. Swim in one hand. Oh, I think I can for real. Oh, that's our problem. Oh, that is kind of deep, though. I'm standing up, though. Oh, bro. Oh, this I can't breathe over here. Why?
There's a big ass rock right here. Bro, I missed my swing, bro. I'm so mad about that.
Oh, people jump off from the top. They crazy. Let's go. This content, dog.
Damn.
The missing iPhone in it storming. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let me do this bitch, huh? Oh, it's starting to rain.
Oh, bro, we gotta go. Why am I covering my
What the
hand, bro?
fuck? Oh, it's a little girl. Oh, I bet they get ruined.
Whole family.
Whole family. Oh, fuck. Jump off that bitch.
Wow.
I'll give you $30 right now. You jump off that bitch. I'll give you 50. Good. A child. Nah, I'm playing. We done came all the way to Pittsburgh and they say we can't get in because we not 21. Because we got children. Because we got children with us. Me and him.
Putting all that shit in your fucking hand, bro.
Me and him.
Bro. I'm really children here, man.
He's a fucking child. He's a child. He's a child. You're good. You're not gonna be on camera. She's a child. Oh my god. Oh my god. Boom, Frosty, because the pool was closed. Boom, boom. That shit would have been lit.
Don't even get my fucking feet in it.
Damn, we on the park with it. We came all the way up to Pittsburgh. No wave pool. But we finna make our night. Dangerous ass slide. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. God damn it. It was cool for him.
Ooh, what the fuck these niggas talking about? I'm the reason they got all the choppers in the chopper house. Niggas talking all that gangster shit until we knock him down. Bitch, I'm fighting cases, still keep that Glock around. Ooh, I'm hype him out, but I still miss Marino. How the fuck you smoking on my brother? You ain't never seen, bro. Think I put the walk.
Oh my. Running for the Four Loko right now. We just got done drinking Goat Bacardi and shit. We running. I need it.
You ain't talking about no
what you got.
then you talking bullshit.
That's the only thing you got. He done fuck me up.
And then show that mouth.
I'm a little bit
This money got lips, man. I love the way it talk. You try to hit me, I'm busting every fiend down my block. Got a case next week, but I don't wanna go. Fuck it, pay Mike a couple racks, he stomp it to the floor. Hit a nigga up, then hit the road. I'm going to my show.
His pot
ran down on that boy with them high low. Throw RP back and hit the booth, and then I let it.
Go ahead. You think I'm jumping with him, bro?
Yes.
I'm not jumping with him.
I can't swim like that.
I can't swim either. I don't.
My bad. I forgot you don't like being in here. What'd they say?
You can't do a flip, bro.
Just jump in here head first. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hold on. I don't want to get my phone wet. Why this one don't turn on? Oh! Damn it. What they doing? What are you doing in here? What you doing in here? Oh, this stuff feels so good. Go get some. Go get something to eat, bro. Eat in the water. Eat in the water. Eat in the water. For real. We do. Come on, this bitch. Fuck. Come on. Jump in there. Jump in there. Jump in there. What is that?
There's people watching this?
No, bruh.
You got $1 hanging off the top.
That's what I said, bro. No, get out that damn trash and jump in it like you mean it, bro. You gotta hit the fucking, what we was doing at the pool. You gotta, ma'am, in that bitch. Come on, bro. What is his ass doing in the trash, bro? Yo, what the fuck, dude? Oh, that made me want to puke. He's in it. Oh. Hey, shut your ass up. I'm playing. Hold on. We gonna spin back.
Punching the blood. He a rapper but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist so I'm looking my beans. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried to put me into the stage. Say I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the phone, I just wanna walk. Fake boots in the bus, fake talk. She a body with her body right. Feel like I tell you always stay hot. Oh, they mad 'cause I can make it. Oh, she mad 'cause I'm in the spot. If I was bitches, I'd hit me a lot. Like, yeah, she a
Slide down, bitches. No, we deep in front. Oh, shit. Oh, I thought you like gold, bro.
she lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her room. No friends, I don't fuck with them. Saying they love me, but one of my friends. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face.
Bro, you hitting the curve, dude. Oh, you the fucking goat. Come on. Yo, we got the bag. That's the handy dandy bag right there. Oh, and you know we deep as fuck. We deep. Oh shit! We going 50 in this hole. Jump in this one. Boom. Let's vlog our day, guys. I just pulled out $500 from the bank, right? What else? Holy cow. Boom, bam. We're gonna add that to the collection because you know what we're doing today, guys? You probably don't. But I done found a Lincoln yesterday. I'm going to buy it. So, how she finna lock me out the car? But it's cool. I can smoke my mouth. We're going to pick up this Lincoln, then we going to work. Probably taking Batman swimming and everything. So that's a bet. I'll catch y'all whenever I get this Lincoln. Before we get to the car, I am at the bank right now. Let me explain the car a little bit. It's like it's a 2007 Lincoln with, I would say, about 140 something miles on it. It's a real nice car for, he was asking $2,000. I brought it down to $1,800. At first it was $3,500. And then I talked to him. I mean, it's a nice car, but I think it's worth a band. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even think it's worth $1,800. But I'm gonna talk to him today too, see if he'll go down on the price any bit more. I don't think he will. He really wasn't budging whenever I was there. It's a nice car. It's gonna get us around and it's gonna make us film a lot more videos. I smoke my mouth. I don't got no lighter though. That's God telling me I need to quit. If you didn't pray today, please pray. Hope y'all having an amazing day like me. And I'll catch you whenever I am at the car. Peace. The paint. My styrofoam is coating with the Minute Maid. Come on. No, it's at her feet. Stop. Look at her. Oh my goodness. No, she's abusing. Come here.
I walked out, you should see my face. I was pissed, bro. That was annoying. That's the second time.
Whoa.
What is this? Is a balcony? It's a balcony.
Are you not playing me now? Why would you do that?
Look at it.
Why are you recording?
Fuck. Oh man, get down a minute. Expensive drinks. Once you come on my phone, you get that down. Her fucking crib now. I hope you know that. Look at her. I'm standing on top of her couch, so she's not gonna do shit with Spencer and my nigga Sean. It's going in the vlog. We the maintenance people. What is this? We're at the hotel. We're not supposed to be back here. Oh fuck. This is dope. There's really nothing else. That's a generator. A room. Yes, sir. Damn. 1.5. Oh shit. Watch out, gang. Watch out.
No, it's 8 feet right there.
I said 8? That shit beautiful. Holy fuck. Let me jump in here.
I told you. That's where the hot tub used to be done.
We can't though. They locked us out. Big Rock right now. They are out of the park. You can swing and then look at the water. Got the new V and everything. I was here every day last summer, bro. Holy shit. Yeah. He gonna steal your Christmas. Now you gotta shut up, Chloe. Yeah. Alright, bro. Oh, she's tweaking up. Oh, she's really tweaking. No. Alright, my ass girl. No, get off, dummy.
Do it.
Get off.
She said
I'm leaving her here.
Do it. It's funny.
Oh my. Yo, there's people outside. Yo, it's people outside. Fun, bro. No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
So you wanna go home?
No, I can. I'm just saying I can drive all the way home like this.
Hey, come on, I'm finna kidnap your ass then. What the fuck you doing?
That was so lit.
What do you want?
That was so lit.
I gotta piss, bro.
I want to do it again.
Let me leave, Chloe.